How to refund TikTok shop products. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure on how can you refund TikTok shop product. Now, getting a refund on TikTok shop depends on whether your item has been shipped yet, or you can manage everything directly through the order sections of your profile. Now, if the order has not yet been shipped, you just want to make sure to go to the TikTok profile, or you could open the seller account as well. You just want to go to TikTok and launch open to the profile section from the bottom right. There you want to go to the menu, and there you want to go to TikTok shop. Once you go to TikTok shop section, you then need to go ahead and locate your order or navigate to shops and go to order section. After which you just want to locate the item and tap cancel, select the reason for canceling and confirm. Once the item, and this is much more easier, but if your item has shipped or been delivered, then what you want to do is do the same thing. Just go to your orders and select the product that you want to return. And after which you just want to tap the request, return or refund options. Give a reason, and you could also upload photo, video evidence to support your claim. Submit the request. The sellers has 48 hours or up to 4 business days for a high value items to approve or deny. If approved, you will receive a prepaid shipping label or a QR code for a drop off at location like USPS or UPS or FedEx. You generally have 5 to 14 days to ship it back, and refunds are typically issued within 3 to 5 business days after the seller receives and interacts and inspects the item. So that is how you're supposed to refund TikTok shop products. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.